We're doing an outdoor shot with the Ultra HD camera. This is the site of where the Music Festival will be held over the next 10 days. It's set against the backdrop of Bethlehem Steel. Bethlehem Steel was a major employer in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania for quite some time. When they shut down, for quite some time there wasn't anything done with about 46 buildings. Now there's a festival that actually has been in town for quite some time, but it has been brought over to this part of town. The camera is quite easy to use. You just really just turn it on. It's easy to zoom and zoom out. You can snap